How's it, Eggs?
Yeah, how's you been in the wilderness today?
Yeah, boy.
Yo, in the fucking Aussies from Australia.
Catching frogs.
There was such a big ass spider.
Bad.
Oh yeah.
We don't have time for spiders.
No, but anyways, Owens, I think we're gonna do a bit of a eat making squid here. And whatever. We already started, as you can see.
We'll be turning out.
Sweating
Turning
already.
out.
Sweating already.
Oh, it's crazy.
But okay, I think like I got two other money today because we did the rubble, me and him while we were fasting. It was
We're
not
gonna
good.
put them on camera later on.
It was not good, but we did it, we made it clear. But I said nah, let him tell it.
Nah, but if there's mensen can tell it today, we're gonna take the numbers for next time for the other work, job creation.
Possibly.
Let's
But
go.
yeah, I just had lost to create some employment today, other than my friends.
Mashallah.
You know, see what I mean? Can't they also passing and they would have done it.
Nah, we asked them, bro, you must be Christian, Jewish, whatever, you mustn't fast today, bro.
I'll be an atheist also. So we can get da'wah also one
Shia.
time. So, but anyways, we have one load light already of mix, and we got some tree rubble, and then there's sand rubble on the other side. We're gonna do that. So we're gonna take this one load away, come back. Do another.
What is the time actually? That was actually quite quick, no?
Oh,
Wat
yeah.
hulle gehad was.
But anyways, hey bro, that's warm. Let's make warm. 2, 3. No, no.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Oh, you must delay it, bitchy.
Here we go, here we go.
It's warm. Let's make warm. 2, 3. Energy.